As of June 6, 2013, the roundabout under construction at the intersection of East Pershing Boulevard, Converse Avenue, and East 19th Street is about 11% complete. Simon Contractors is scheduled to pave a portion of Converse Avenue north of the roundabout the week of June 10th. Sometime in mid-June, Converse Avenue, north of the roundabout, will reopen to through traffic, though it will be restricted to one lane in each direction. Traffic on Converse Avenue will be allowed through the intersection of East 19th Street. However, East Pershing Boulevard will remain closed. Motorists are reminded that the speed limit in construction zone is 20 miles per hour. The roundabout is scheduled to be completed in late November 2013. Landscaping will be completed in spring 2014. For more information on the roundabout, please go to www.cheyenncity.org/ePershing or call the city's info line at 637-4636.